This is Africa Updates. Mali gets more military equipment from Russia. Mali on Tuesday received military jets and combat helicopter from Russia during a ceremony. Il-39 and Sukhoi 25 jets as well as Mi-24P helicopter gunships were displayed. Defense Minister Sadio Kamal paid tribute to what he called Mali's win-win partnership with the Russian Federation. The new delivery strengthened our reconnaissance and attack capabilities, he said. No information was disclosed about the conditions for acquiring the gunship. Previous Russian arms deliveries made public this year were helicopters and surveillance radars as well as mobile radars systems. Mali has been battered by jihadist campaign that began on the north of the country in the 2012 and then spread to the south, and insurgents reached Burkina Faso and Niger. Recently, Al-Qaeda terrorists have heaped pressure on Mali's military. In July, jihad rebels attacked Mali's Kat military base in the outskirts of the capital city, Bamako, where the president of the transition authority resides. From DRC, the U.S. Secretary of State Antonio Blinken met Tuesday with Congolese leader Felix Tshisekedi at the Kinshasa presidential palace as part of three-nation African tour. Tshisekedi was raised the question of the strategic partnership between the DRC and the United States during the meeting. If the statement also discussed the bilateral trade and investment partnership for regional security was top of the agenda. Congo has accused Rwanda of supporting the M23 fighters, a rebel group operating in eastern DRC. During a press conference with the Congolese counterpart, Christopher Lutendula, the U.S. top diplomat, expressed concern about allegation of Rwandan support to the M23 rebel. Rwanda rejected a report by United Nations experts saying they have sought evidence which incriminates the mountainous nation. We are very concerned by credible report that Rwanda has provided support to M23. We call all parties in the region to stop any support or cooperation with M23, or for that matter any other non-state armed group, Blinken said. Any entry of foreign forces into the DRC must be done transparent with the consent of the DRC. US's top diplomat say his country will support the effort led by Kenya and Angola to put an end to the violence in Congo's east, and to help solve the Central African nation crisis with Rwanda. Rwanda has denied the allegation of support to the M23. Kigali accuses the DRC of collaborating with another rebel group, the FDLR, and said regional security can't be achieved until that issue is addressed. The FDLR was created by ethnic Hutus who freed Rwanda during the country's 1994 genocide that kills at least 800,000 ethnic Tutsis and moderate Hutus. Congo has denied support the group that was from Congo. So that is from Africa.